Today I'm going to overlay a 1981 Maico 490 image over a 2017 Honda CRF450 image. We're going to see how much of the 1981 Maico geometry is still used and copied by bikes today. I have most of the Maico transparent so we can see behind it and what the CRF looks like. We're going to line up the rear bolt on the swing arm. And as you can see throughout this experiment, the frame is pretty much identical. The rake is a match, the front and rear axles line up, even the foot pegs are lining up. Where the motor sits is also lined up. The only real difference is the gas tank sits into the frame on the 2017 and is a bit lower, and the gas tank sits on top of the frame in the older Maico. And this was true for many bikes for many years, that the gas tank was sitting on top of the frame. So the only real difference we can really see in modern bikes is that they've put the gas tank, at least on the CRFs, lower in the frame than the old Maico has. But otherwise they've kept the geometry pretty much the same.